How to replace ear pads on Beats Solo 3 and 2 headphones, brought to you by Central Sound. Buy your Beats parts at centralsound.co. Enter promo code 20% off at checkout. Here we have a Beats Solo 3 headphones. As you can see, the ear pads are in rough shape. It's torn, the foam is popping out. We're going to get these replaced. First, you need a pry tool like I have here, or a butter knife or a flathead screwdriver. And you want to pry just underneath where the ear pad meets the ear cup. You gently pry up and do that all the way around. Sometimes it's a little harder to get them off. That's okay. Just keep on working at it. Now, as you can see, there's adhesive and glue all the way around here. You want to scrape as much of that off as you can. There's little plastic posts sticking up. You want to be careful not to scrape those off. You're going to need those plastic posts to position the new ear pads in place. Now that that's all cleaned up, here's our new replacement ear pad set by us, Central Sound. They're soft, durable, comfortable. These fit the Beats Solo 3 and Solo 2 headphones. Now this is the ear pad with the small indent where it lines up with the charging port. As you can see, you need to make sure you're putting the right pad on the right side. First, you want to peel off that backing. This pops right off. Then you want to line it up properly. Remember, there's those posts on there, so they need to go inside the holes on the back of the ear pad. Then once you have it lined up, you just want to apply pressure all the way around. And as you can see, compared to the old ones, these are in definitely much better shape. They'll last you a while. Good quality materials. And thanks for watching. Get your replacement ear pads at centralsound.co. Enter promo code 20% off at checkout for a discount. Thank you for watching.